Alrighty guys, we're here with, you know, the Miata gang, Miatagini gang, aka La Bestia, aka La Cucaracha. About to install this lip, GV lip. And when we ain't got no jack stands, we gotta do it the ghetto way. Put some screws. These at Home Depot. Focus. Gonna take the screw out. We can use this hole. Got this big wrench because I ain't got no other ones. Jesus. Oh, Jesus, turned it the wrong way. I'll go buy some new tools. There we go. Alright, I'll turn that up right now. That should hold better. Now to the other side. It's pretty easy install. Just put these screws in pretty easy, especially that already has the holes in there for the nuts and the bolts. Screws is just drill it in there. All right, looks good. That's how I put these screws in. Pretty cheap. I don't know how much it cost me, but I'll drill these holes in. It's a pretty cheap lip you can buy. You can buy it off of eBay, or I got mine off of the Facebook. Just setting the holes, one each side, I'm making a hole in it. Oh man, I keep missing you. Pero la noche. There you go, it's not going. Righty guys, set it up pretty even, you know, best film I could. There you go. Dang. Looking better now. It's gonna be way lower when we get the coilovers. So that's coming up for this car. Ooh, also I want to change the hardtop on it because this one the guy I bought it from, he said that the dude he bought it from didn't have, I mean, my bad, he didn't put the window on right. So I want to change this to an OEM because it's obviously an aftermarket, that Lexan window. But yeah, I want to change the red, make it look better, put that spoiler on the hardtop, you know, make it look good. Oh, also, forgot about the inside, guys. Oh. You know, gotta put that, I'm gonna look for like a KG Works cluster gauge things or whatever. Then maybe buy some gauge faces. And I already got the Nardi steering wheel on here. Also already got the quick release, you already know. That's been done by the, I didn't videotape it, but I have it on my Instagram. You know, follow my Instagram. I'll make one for my YouTube, but maybe we could put some funny videos or something like that. You know what I mean? Jelly bean, but yeah. Right now we're gonna go pick up my boy Nena. Gonna help me film part of the video. He's about to be in here. But yeah, we're gonna go pick him up real quick. Alrighty guys, just got done filming. I'm about to go edit these videos. Well, video. But yeah, thank you for watching, and until next time.